we can start by preserving our own environment, making sure that it stays clean, making sure that while we are enjoying the beauty of nature, we don't interfere, we don't harass animals, we don't try to pick flowers or to hurt the environment. Did you know that because of the climate change, desert is taking over all over the world now? Cultivating land is making place for desert, because all it takes is a small change in the amount of rain, or not even in the amount, but in the distribution of rain, and it can ruin the whole fauna and flora. And this is something, ladies and gentlemen, which is happening already all over the world in various places. And water has become a problem even in Europe. And we need to be very careful about it, because right now there are people who lost everything they had in life, because they were living in communities, usually in rural areas, in developing countries. They were farmers, they were conducting their lives, and suddenly everything came to an end. And we need to take care of it to provide solutions for them and for us. Because if we don't do it, then we will be facing more and more and more difficulties. And climate change also results in the return of various diseases that we thought that we got rid of a long time ago. Only to mention tuberculosis is one of them. People are wandering because they are looking for a place where they could have decent life, which means food, shelter, work. Israel is trying to share its knowledge and its innovation, even in this domain of agro-industry, with as many countries as possible. And we can provide solutions. We can provide solutions that increase water availability. We can provide solutions that increase food productivity. Because today you can run agriculture using sensors, satellite, and all kinds of ultra modern technology to supervise and to maximize the yields in each field, for example, or to adjust the kind of crop which is suitable to each kind of piece of land and things like this. And Israel is doing it. Israel is bringing hope for communities all over the world, usually in the developing world, which need water and in order to have food. Because in these communities, there's no water, then there's no food. And they don't have some kind of an alternative. They don't go to the next junk food restaurant to buy a meal because they don't have it there.